it was mad long for no reason, so I couldn't. It wasn't like the first Starbucks drink order. This one is taking a minute, I guess, because it's lunchtime. Go figure. But yeah, so we're almost there. We're next up, but we can't order yet, so we're waiting. And yeah, I thought by the time I started recording and stuff, maybe that car in the front that's up there would have gone, but nope, it's not yet. So we're waiting still. Okay, there we are. I'm about to order. I don't know why this other car is like going so slow and won't go up to the other one. So annoying. Like they're not even paying attention, y'all. But I guess. Okay, could I get a venti size caramel frappe?
Venti caramel frappe? Okay, what else can I get for you?
Can I add 2 pumps of mocha in that?
2 cups of mocha?
And can I add mocha drizzle as well?
Mocha drizzle as well?
And then can I add some blended in Java chips?
I'm sorry?
Some blended in Java chips?
Okay, what else can I get for you?
And that's all.
Okay,
Thank you. So, just in case you guys didn't hear what I ordered a caramel frappe. Sit down. No. Sorry, mommy moments. But so I ordered a caramel frappe with 2 pumps of mocha drizzle on top with the caramel, and then some Java chips blended in. So I guess we will see, because it's kind of like an older order that I used to get, but I can't remember the order exactly, so I just was like, let's just try this. Okay, sit back. Hold on, y'all, let me get his life together real quick. Okay, you guys, we're home, and this is what it looks like. Now, from the offer up, looking at this, it looks way too chocolatey. Like, they did not listen at all. It's like they didn't even make this a caramel frappe. They just made it chocolate. So it was supposed to be caramel with 2 pumps of mocha. This looks like way more than 2 pumps of mocha, and way too much chocolate. So let's. Yeah, it's way too chocolatey. Like, it's like you can't taste any caramel. You can only taste chocolate. And that's not it for me, so let's not do that. Or if someone else tries it and y'all try it somewhere else, then let me know how it tastes. But that one right there, it tastes way too chocolatey. I might have to add some milk in on my own and see if it tastes better like that, but that's way too chocolatey. So yeah, that was the one that I mentioned before, and it's not the best, okay? But yeah, so I hope you guys liked episode 2 of Starbucks drink orders with Bria, and I guess I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.